Good morning, friends. Let's explore one more tool provided by the Google, that is the Google Calendar, to be a smart businessman. You can be a smart businessman using Google Calendar. You can plan your day, you can plan your week, you can plan your month also, or in individual task also. You can easily assign the task to your employee also. So now let's explore what is a common businessman, what is a smart businessman. What common businessmen are doing, basically they are writing something like that the task number one is that, task number two is there, task number three is there. This is an unorganized way of doing a task, and these businessmen will never grow in futures because they are not properly organizing their task into the proper manners. So what you should learn from this, do not list your all these tasks like this, or never put it this task something like a tags in your computer also, but properly organize your task based on calendar, so that you can able to recall the task on some particular date and time. For example, you are supposed to pay the electricity bill on 22nd, so you need to set up a reminder on a Google Calendar that electricity bill payment on 22nd, so that Google Calendar can remind you before a day, before 2 days. Using an email reminder will be there, notification reminder will be there, and all such reminders will be there. Even you are logging to that particular calendar, you can able to find out that on 22nd you have to do this task. So this is very easy to organize your task, and it is not difficult, it is very easy. Now let's explore how you can implement this Google Calendar. So let me open this calendar.google.com. I have opened, I have logged in with my accounts. So by using this way, you can able to open that particular calendar. These calendars are having this month wise view. The view you can change it from these options. You can change it to day wise view, so this will be the current day. You can change it by week also, you can change it by month also, or you can have that particular year also. So this is the particular month wise calendar. For example, today is the 31st May, so I would like to add one particular task. So I am clicking up over here, so automatically add new task options will be added. So I can write it down something like electricity bill payment. You can add time also, or you can set this particular event as a whole day event, so that you can execute that events at any orders. So this particular task has been added. Similarly, you can able to uh, add this task on some particular other dates also. You can write it down something like that. For example, meeting one, you can write it down something like that. Here is a sales meeting, for example. So you can add this task as easy as just clicking and adding the task to the particular date. Another thing is that sometimes you need to share these task details to your friends also, or let's say colleagues also. So how you can share it? So by using this way, you need to go to the more options. For example, group sales executive meeting, and you need to go into the more options. So in more options, you need to add guest list. So here you need to enter the email address of that particular persons also, so that that persons can get notifications and they can come up for your meeting also. So you can utilize these things, you can put it saved. So this is the calendar view. Another options I would like to highlight to you. So here is one more options. So here is a calendar. So what is that calendar means? Calendar means you can able to manage these individual calendar. For example, one calendar is for your office, one calendar is for personal use, one calendar is for friend for birthday reminders, one is the general calendar. So you can manage multiple calendars over here. For example, I am clicking up over here holidays in India, so automatically that calendar will be added into my calendar also. So you can add popular calendars available, that is freely available throughout that particular Google Calendar. Let me click on plus. Let me browse the calendar of the interest. So you can choose any calendar. So many calendars are available with you. For example, you are interested in a basketball. So you can go to the basketball and you will find these many basketball calendars are available. So these many competitions are there. Just you need to pick that particular, for example, National Basketball Association NBA. In that particular things, this one is available. So let us click that calendar is added. Now you can see the things, calendar is there. Let me go back. Let me add that calendar over here. So that calendar is added, but the thing is that these particular calendars are not having any events on this particular month. Otherwise this can list you out. So hope you understand the concept of the calendars. By using calendar, you can able to manage your day-to-day tasks. You can share it with your colleagues. You can share it with your team members. So you can utilize it for personal use or business use. Everything is totally free of cost. Even you can share your calendar with all these members of your company easily by using this particular options. Here is the settings and sharing options is there. So calendars can be shared. This is the export calendar option is there. You can give the access to that particular calendars, and few more options are also there. You can go through that things. So hope you like these particular sessions. In these sessions, we have explored that how you can utilize this Google Calendar for your business purpose. If you have any questions regarding Google Calendar or any technological tools, you can drop it as a comment. We can able to help you out as much as we can. If you need any personalized calendar or you need a personalized software to manage your day-to-day tasks, we can able to provide you the customized task management software. We can develop some softwares for you. We are an IT consultancy firm. We can develop the software based on your requirements. Please like this video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.